Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how can we update Google Play Store on our phone. As you know, you can't update Google Play Store just like the other apps by going inside Google Play Store and going to the apps, because that wouldn't work, because as you know that Google Play Store requires certain libraries and certain type of services from Google to update the Google Play Store itself. So since Google Play Store is dependent on those libraries, we can't directly update it just like any other app. So to do that, what we need to do is first of all click on our profile, and after that go to the settings. And once you go to the settings, here you're gonna find many options, among which on the bottom of which we are gonna find about. Click on about, and if you scroll down, you see that there is an option called Play Store version. Now beneath that Play Store version, you would see an option called Update Play Store. If you click Update Play Store, it's going to search the internet if there is, it's going to connect to the Google server and see if there is an update available. If there is, it's going to download the update, and after that it will close the app, the Play Store app itself, and then update it. And then if not, then it'll show you the status you're up to date, and you can say got it. So this is pretty much how you can update your Google Play Store.